In this video, you will learn how to use opposing viewpoints. Opposing viewpoints is a great place to go when you need to choose a topic for a research assignment. Opposing viewpoints covers current topics and provides full-text articles from news, magazines, and scholarly sources. To get to opposing viewpoints, go to My AIC and select Library from the yellow menu at the top of the page. In the Useful Links box, choose Databases. From the alphabetical list of databases, select Opposing Viewpoints. There are two ways to use opposing viewpoints. You can enter keywords in the search box as you normally would, or browse issues by selecting the light bulb icon on the right side of the page. When you select the Browse Issues icon, you will see all of the topics covered in opposing viewpoints. To explore the sources for a specific topic, select the topic link. Let's look at local food movement. On the topic page, there is an overview article which provides background information, pros and cons, history, and challenges related to the topic. The overview article can help you learn more about the topic, but generally is not appropriate to use in most research assignments. Below the overview article, you will see the content opposing viewpoints supplies, including news, magazines, articles from academic journals, multimedia, and viewpoint articles. Scrolling further down the page, you will see a few examples of each source type. Let's look at academic journals. Some articles have a check mark in the words peer-reviewed, indicating the article has been peer-reviewed. To take a closer look at any article, click on the title. On this page, you will see information about the article, including the authors and publisher. Scrolling down, you will see the full text of the article. There are a variety of tools available in the top right corner of the page. The Download button allows you to download the article to your device. The Cite button will provide you with a citation in the format of your choice. Citations provided by databases may not be correct, so it is important to check the citation for accuracy and make any necessary changes. The Send To button will allow you to email the article or add the article to your Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive. If you need additional help using opposing viewpoints, please email shay.library@aic.edu, and don't forget to visit the library's YouTube channel for more helpful videos.